the #1 weight loss drink that actually works. Most weight loss drinks are scams, and you've probably wasted money on them. But here's the one drink that actually flips your body from storing fat to burning it. It doesn't just burn fat, it fixes the hidden issues that keep you from losing weight in the first place. And the crazy part? You probably already have everything you need sitting in your kitchen right now. Think about it. Why do some people try every diet, every workout, and still see no real change? It's not about laziness, it's about biology. Until your body switches out of fat storage mode, nothing works. And that's exactly what this drink does. It flips the switch inside your body from storing fat to burning fat. Stick with me until the end, because not only will I show you exactly how to make it step by step, but I'll also reveal the biggest mistake people make that makes them think it doesn't work. Why most people struggle to lose weight. Here's the hard truth. The modern food system isn't designed for health. It's designed for cravings. Processed snacks, hidden sugars, and late-night eating send your blood sugar spiking and crashing all day long. Every time your blood sugar spikes, your insulin shoots up. And when insulin is high, your body locks fat away and refuses to burn it. This is why you can eat less, exercise more, and still feel stuck. You're fighting against your own biology. And that fight leaves you tired, hungry, and frustrated. So the real solution isn't just eat less. It's to control your blood sugar, calm your cravings, and get your hormones working with you instead of against you. That's where this drink comes in. The 5 key ingredients. So what's inside this drink that makes it work when others fail? Let's break it down. 1. Warm water. The base. It might sound too simple, but warm water is the foundation. Unlike cold water, which can slow digestion for some people, warm water signals your body to wake up, flush toxins, and prepare your metabolism for the day. Think of it as hitting the reset button first thing in the morning. 2. Apple cider vinegar, the powerhouse. This is the ingredient that makes people skeptical. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, especially the kind with the mother, has been studied for its ability to lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. That means fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and less fat storage. In one Japanese study, people who drank apple cider vinegar daily lost more belly fat compared to those who didn't, without making huge diet changes. It's not hype. It's backed by real science. But here's the warning. Too much vinegar can harm your teeth and stomach. That's why the sweet spot is just 1 to 2 teaspoons diluted in water. 3. Fresh lemon juice. The liver support. Your liver is your fat-burning engine. When it's overloaded, fat loss slows down. Lemon juice supports liver function, aids digestion, and adds vitamin C for an immune boost. Plus, it makes the drink taste refreshing instead of harsh. 4. Cinnamon. The secret weapon. Most people skip this step, and that's a mistake. Cinnamon has been shown to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is the key to controlling cravings. Just half a teaspoon can help your body shift from storing fat to burning it. 5. Raw honey. The optional kick. Yes, honey is sugar. But in very small amounts, raw honey brings enzymes and antioxidants that can support digestion. It also makes the drink more enjoyable. If you're avoiding sugar completely, leave it out. But for many, adding half a teaspoon makes it easier to stay consistent long term. The science of why it works. When you put all these together, here's what happens inside your body. Blood sugar spikes are reduced. Insulin sensitivity improves. Digestion and liver function get support. Cravings start to fade. Your metabolism gets a gentle boost. The result? Your body finally unlocks fat-burning mode. So instead of waking up bloated and tired, you wake up lighter, with steady energy all day. Now, let's be clear. This drink is not magic. If you drink it and then load up on fast food, don't expect miracles. But when you combine it with whole foods, some movement, and good sleep, it becomes a powerful tool that gives your body the edge it needs. The biggest mistake people make. Here's the part that most people miss, and why they say, It doesn't work. They drink it at the wrong time. Timing is everything. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, any other time, and most of the benefits vanish. That's when insulin is lowest, your stomach is clear, and your body is ready to absorb the full effect. If you drink it right after a heavy meal, you lose the benefits. Consistency also matters. One glass won't change anything, but drink it daily, and the results build up. Less bloating, fewer cravings, and steady fat loss. Real-life results, without the fluff. Here's what people notice when they stick with it. Real, everyday changes you can feel. 1. They feel lighter in the morning instead of sluggish. 2. Their midday cravings start to disappear. 3. Their belly fat begins to shrink steadily over weeks, not days. That third one is important. Real fat loss takes time. This drink doesn't promise overnight results, but it creates the right conditions for lasting change. Quick recap of the recipe. Here's how you make the #1 weight loss drink that actually works. 1 glass of warm water. 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Juice of half a lemon. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. Optional, half teaspoon raw honey. Mix it well and drink it first thing in the morning, before eating anything. The truth is, weight loss isn't about punishing yourself with crazy diets or workouts. It's about creating small daily habits that shift your body into balance. This drink is one of those habits. It's not expensive, it's not complicated, and it actually works when you do it the right way. As I always say, the small things you do every day matter more than the big things you do once in a while. So start tomorrow morning. Try it consistently for 2 weeks and see how your body responds. If this helped you, share it with someone struggling to lose weight. They'll thank you later.